Nike and Cav Empt team up again to spotlight the Air Max DN8, blending futuristic aesthetics with nostalgic nods like digi camo patterns from past collaborations. First previewed in Cav Empt's Fall or Winter 2025 lookbook, the release highlights three standout colorways: black, gray with digi camo accents, and a vibrant white-aqua-purple reminiscent of the 90s. Unlike a slow rollout, Nike strategically uses this collab to accelerate the DN8's momentum, positioning it as a core piece of the Air Max legacy. Sneaker enthusiasts are buzzing as official images emerge, hinting that the black pair could carry exclusivity. Although not yet confirmed, the collection is slated for an August 27 launch at $210. With heritage and innovation woven into its design, the Cav Empt x Nike Air Max DN8 builds strong anticipation, setting the stage for one of Nike's most significant 2025 drops.